The third option under the GRD side tab is the spin collar accessory option. If we have a route where we'd like to use the spin collar accessory to route down to our GRD, we can choose this option. Remember, spin collar accessory options are not fittings that download to PractiCAD for manufacturing. Spin collar accessories can be counted and utilized, but they're not used to download to PractiCAD and manufacture. We pointed that out in the duct side tabs. We're just mentioning it again. Most of the time, manufacturers are using spin collars as tabs. However, if you'd like to use the spin collar accessory option, we can choose it here. An example of where we might want to use this. Notice on the left we have two entities highlighted, the rectangular duct and the round neck grill. And we'd like to use an assembly in the AutoFlex option that uses an angled boot tap, routes rectangular duct all the way to the grill and over the grill, and then we take a PractiCAD spin collar accessory and we tap it to the bottom of that duct and then run the rest of the assembly down. If we would like to do that, we can come over to duct side and say if we have a round neck, we'd like to use the 45-degree boot tap. And here you can see we've got it set to add to neck size 6 inches. So the boot tap's opening will be 6 inches larger than the grill neck. Then what we're going to do in the route is say for straight rectangular duct, we'd like to use the rectangular straight duct fittings. So PractiCAD is going to use a boot tap, then rectangular straight duct fittings. And now the question is, what do we want to do to complete the route? What we're going to do is in the GRD side, we're going to check this tab and choose the spin collar accessory option. And what that's going to do if we go to route this is PractiCAD is going to route an angled boot tap, then rectangular duct, and here as you can see in the isometric view, what it's done is it's put a spin collar right there, tapped to the bottom of the duct, and then it has started to route with spiral pipe to the grill. But the fitting right here where the cursor is, it's not highlighted, it's behind the fitting in the isometric, is the spin collar accessory directly from our catalog. So this is an example of why we'd want to use the spin collar accessory. It's talking about tapping to the bottom of duct that we are using to route to a grill.